I like this, it's nice and mellow. Ah! My body hurts. All right, brother, I'm ready for this pain. This pain I'm going to receive from this here mellow obstacle is going to be substantial. Hello, Gabe. Today is the day we all cry as men.
What were you saying? Why are we all going to be crying as men, Petty?
Because today is the day of Avengers Endgame.
I was literally focused on this video, and now all I can think about is Avengers, and all I want to talk about is Avengers. And look what you've done.
I'm sorry.
Well, hello, guys. And now
we got one that Gabe can do tricks on.
We have one that is easier that we can do more tricks on. It's more creative.
It's more creative and mellow.
Yeah.
I watched a lot of Skate and Create this morning, and yeah.
Got some inspiration.
If you guys don't know what that is, it's like it was a contest held by Transworld. It was like shoe companies built their own skate park. They had like a certain amount of materials and everything, and yeah.
They were good. So, Fetty, go ahead and run us through your little wang danga right here.
All right. So here we have a like a two-stair.
Will I have to move and film?
Yeah, it's a hard day today. We have a two-stair to here, so you can do a trick down your two-stair, then you ride, and then you either do a trick into the bank or a trick to flat. And we try to scrape as much of the wax off this box as possible, but you still might slide.
Fantastic work. And it's still up for modification.
Of course, we could put like a hubba there.
Put a hubba there, rail here, potentially.
Anything, really.
Yeah, you know, that's the point, is to have some options. And I'm gonna bless this video with an ollie down the tube and a...
First showing, guys.
Ooh. You see? It doesn't always have to be crazy to be fun. Into the ramp and I died.
That was wobbly. I felt the entire box shake. You know, I thought for sure when I front 180'd onto the ramp that I was gonna slide out.
I didn't even pop the half cab.
Wow.
I didn't even grind. Dang, 540, yo.
Whoa.
That felt good. Woo. I got a trick for you, Gabe. Man, my knee hurts. Whoa! While sliding out. That was the worst kickflip yet. I have a trick for you, Gabe. I'm gonna land it. Dang, sick ollie. Laser? That's a good idea.
Oh yeah.
I knew you'd like that one, Gabe. Dang.
Wow, Carlos.
I did not think I was gonna land that. I almost threw my arm out. I'm so sore. That's so hard. This is good. It's really scary to like 180 down this.
I got one for you, Carlos. Frontside big flip. Yeah.
That was scary. Ow! I forgot what I was trying.
What?
Oh, you ripped through your shoe.
Oh my, oh, there's blood.
There's blood. Blood alert.
You good? I was filming perfectly, and then I started thinking about Avengers again.
Oh
Thanks.
dear. Wow. That was like slow motion. Ah. Ah. Okay, I'm up. If you ever wondered how I get out of bed, that looks a lot like how it looks. Oh, great Scott. I tried to hold on. I said, I'll never let go, Jack, but then I let go.
Yeah, it was it.
Oh boy, it was it! I haven't figured out a tray flip yet with these. Still like, they're still breaking in somehow. I had momentum to get myself up that time. Whoa! Here at Braille, we love bridges. Ah! There we go. Dang.
Oh, wow.
That was as solid as it comes, brothers.
Wow, that was good. What do you think of this thing, Carlos?
It's fun. I always love skating something where everybody can get a trick, you know?
Nigel, you just got here. How you doing, man?
Tired, but okay.
And Fed, what do you think about this?
I like this. It's nice and mellow. My body hurts, and it's hot today too.
Uzi, you seem like you're just having not a very good time right now.
Yeah, well, it'd be like that sometimes.
If I land that, I'm gonna cry.
Yeah!
It's like a mellow build with a high risk. I wish I would have just landed it. Oh, that was solid.
Wow! What the heck?
All right, brother, get my bag. Yeet! Ah! I was going so slow. Nigel's kickflip reminds me of the Easter Bunny. But you got my back, brother.
Yay!
Yay! What? Oh! You're gonna have to like really like yeet the shove.
Wow!
I was like a toenail away. That is nuts. He just done lost his marbles. Go crazy. With the gentleman land. Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, Nigel has entered the building. That's what I like to see, brother. Ah! That took so much energy. I think this is a pretty successful build. think I gotta go a little bit faster.
I really want Fetty to get that. That'd be a good ender.
That's what I like to call talent. Ow. I just gotta go for it. Ow! Oh, I think I threw my back out. That was what you call perfection. These is all in the knees, brother. Who is he? Who is he? Everything I have. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, Nigel. Yay!
Count it.
Move! Where's the cop? I got robbed.
Great Scott!
Oh, it's too slippery for that. Oh, no, no.
Yeah!
That felt weird. Atta Nigel.
This is why I like wearing sweatpants. It feels like I'm back in my baggy days, and that's why I can do better tricks.
I like skateboarding.
I need to just go back to my baggy style. It's way more comfortable skating. I don't feel restricted. Look at this, first try, gang. First try, gang.
You see? It doesn't always have to be crazy to be fun. Sometimes you gotta keep it mellow, chill. What you want, brother? There's a shoe in my snake. Hello.
Post-game interview, how do you feel?
I feel like that was successful, even though I don't know how I did half of that.
I can't breathe.
Me neither.
It's hot, dude.
I got like
No, overall it's good.
a pain right in my rib cage.
Watch out.
Your water's been on the windowsill for 3 days now. I'm taking it.
Your window's on the water
I
seal.
gave it to you, remember?
Oh, there's root beer in the fridge.
Coca-Cola.
That ended up being a lot of fun. That right there is actually one of our more simple builds, pretty mellow, but it just goes to show you that even the most mellow things you can have a lot of fun on. I can literally go to a curb on the street and skate it for 5 hours and have the best time of my life.
Yeah.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and click them, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs. That was probably felt really good, actually.